I Can See You by Taylor Swift. We're gonna avoid almost all of the bar chords on this one by putting our capo on the 4th fret. The song starts with an intro, and that intro kind of carries on into the verses. The strumming pattern that we're gonna use for it is a down, 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 up, 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 down. So that's down, 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 up, 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 down. And the first chord that we're gonna play is a B minor. It is a bar chord, but you can avoid it by just playing the 3 bottom strings. To do that, you would put your ring finger on the 8th fret of the G string, middle finger on the 7th of the B, and then your index finger on the 6th fret of the E. It's beautiful. You can avoid bar chords so easily. After playing the B minor, we're then going to go to a G, and we're just going to do the 3 down strums on that G. And then after those 3 down strums, we're going to move to an A, and we'll do that up, 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 down. All of that together, then I have the intro and the verse down. It would sound like this. And that's it. You already have the intro down. In the pre-chorus, we're going to use a lot of those same chords. So it starts on a G, and we're just going to do 4 down strums on each of these chords. So it starts on a G 4 times before we move to an A. Then we're going to move to that B minor. And then the next chord here ends on a D. And then that pattern repeats, but there is a little bit of a change. So we're going to play 4 on the G, 4 on the A, but then we're going to move to an E major, and we're going to play it 8 times. So that would be G, A, E, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole pre-chorus together, it would sound like this. B minor, D, it repeats, land on E 8 times. So that's the pre-chorus, and now we just have the chorus, which, as you can probably guess, uses a lot of the same chords. So the chord progression for the chorus is G, A, D, B minor, like this. Minor. And then on the second time around, we are going to end up going back to that E major after the A. And then after the chorus, it goes back into that intro and the verses. So now putting all 3 of these parts together, the intro, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. Pre-chorus. Comes the chorus. And then for the bridge, what I like to do is play G, A, D, A. But on that last one, you could just either stay on that D, or if you'd like to, you can go back to the A. So there you have it. That is how you play I Can See You by Taylor Swift.